I just had a good talk with Rusty. You'll be in good hands here, honey.
Where are you going?
Oh, there's got to be a phone or a gas station around here somewhere, honey.
Well, all right, but if you're not back in an hour...
I'll be fine. You'll be fine. I'm sure this sort of thing happens all the time. A patrol car will be by any minute.
Over the river and through the woods to grandmother's house we go.
Ho!
1,000 bottles of beer on the wall, 1,000 bottles of beer. 4 bottles of beer. If one of those bottles should happen before. I love a parade. The crackling of feet, and I love every beat I hear of a drum. I love a parade. I hear a band, I just want to stand until they come.
We pass a goddamn gas station every 100 yards for 1,000 miles. But when you really need one, you end up walking your ass off.
This is no way to run a desert.
I'm gonna die. That's it.
What an asshole.
Taxi! 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 Dead. I'm dead. Taxi! Here, boy. I'm dying. I'm dead. I'm finished.
Mommy?
I'm not sure of his exact height and weight. All I know is the man was insane with children and a genius with food additives, and he was... Clark! I saw it.
Russ!
What are you doing?
Russ!
Oh, my
Russ!
God. How's it going?
Audrey! Audrey! How have you grown?
Are you all right?
I feel fine. What happened to you? How'd you get here?
Well, these 2 nice Indians and a man on a camel called it tow truck daddy's back.
A camel! A man on a camel! Hey, kids, you thirsty?
Yeah, and you are too.
You said it!
Okay. What do I owe you?
Never heard of no one so shit all stupid as you driving off that road. You must have got manure for your brains.
Yeah. Well, I'm from out of town. So, what's the bill?
What's the bill?
Come on. How much?
How much you got?
No, I'm asking how much the repairs are.
And I'm asking you how much you got.
You're out of your mind. Look, I don't have time to play around, okay? So how much is it?
All of it, boy.
What's your sheriff think of your business practices? Audrey, honey, how much babysitting money do you have?
How come?
How much?
What's the matter?
Oh, nothing. I just spent $500 on 4 ball tires and a tow. How much do you have, Audrey?
35. She has $40, Dad.
How would you know unless you went in my purse, you rotten snake?
Rusty, have you been going through her private property?
Look, I don't give a frog's fat ass who went through what. We need money. Edna, how much do you have?
She's asleep, Clark.
Roz, want to look through Edna's purse?
Clark.
Unzip it, Roz.
She has 11 cents, Dad.
Terrific.
The motel will cash a check.
Yeah, they better. We're going to run out of gas.